Turns out that junk food is not dangerous until you make it right.
Yeah, man.
Safer for you to consume.
Back to the cakes.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Baker Like Anita, and I am the owner and founder of Zimtoti Bakery. That is a plant-based bakery based in Johannesburg. And last year I hosted one of the most awesome events that I've ever done. I think it was one of the first actually. So I was launching my bakery and rebranding almost as a plant-based baker. So basically this video is just a rundown of everything that went down, how everything went, and I'm super grateful to RandAfrika Entertainment for capturing this day and editing everything so incredibly well. And just shout out to everyone who came through. I think it was really such an awesome day spent at the Drill Hall. So the Drill Hall is a heritage site in the inner city of Joburg, in Hillbrow specifically. And there Exotically Divine has taken over the space to re-energize the space and bring more life, nature and art into the space. So I was very lucky to be able to host an event in such an incredible space, in the garden, in the creative hub of the inner city. So I really hope that you enjoy, and please subscribe to this channel for more of this kind of content, but also just comment down below what you think of the video, and especially if you see yourself there in this video, just comment a hey and shout out to you. So yeah, this is the video and I really hope that you enjoy. I was so busy that morning, or I think the day before, that this is really the only footage that I have of me making these muffins. But this is us a few hours before the event with Forrest and Khanyapa, who were really incredible and helped to transform this space in a matter of days. And so we're preparing the space for yoga.
That's me the whole day, ne? It's a hope. Yeah.
We're launching the website today through the tea party.
Even having yoga today was part of promoting the plant-based lifestyle, speaking about rising the kundalini, centering yourself and the energy that you bring into the work that you do, especially doing baking, things that people ingest into their bodies. You know, you need to, yourself as a person who's working in the space, and even just as a person, everyone needs to kind of be able to have this opportunity to center themselves in this way and be able to engage with themselves most importantly, but it's also about how you engage with the community and people around you.
Make some way for the cake of the day. Yeah. Yes. Ta-da!
1971 in England, fresh off the plane to my dame in a Brixton. No, she never asked about flight. 2 months, no telegram right. Hey, this ain't taxi for I. She gonna some house party tonight. So call me article like.
The coffee pot is brewing.
Make a few calls, get a couple invites. Another place we're gone. Never left the yard from the day I'm born. Right up front to a steering pound. You can tell say she back here 6 months. Whoa, tough guys beside her. She narrates and my head start talk to me. Tell me what.
It's the first time I've used coconut cream to make a cake, so there's no butter in the icing, no. A new level, you know?
There's a couple of victims.
Yes, but the coconut cream, so surely you can do something. So just letting it cool and.
But all to walk right past your miss. I've been looking at your eye and ask you this.
My name is Zimtoti, aka Robin Delfro, aka Botela, aka Song Danger, aka whoever I want to be on that day. So today, Silana celebrating Zimtoti, celebrating exotic divine. The meals were amazing.
It was so nice. I enjoyed everything. I enjoyed food. Especially the carrot cake.
What that they are born in a Ethiopia. The youths them have no parents, so you find that they have lost their way.
The day was dope, man. You know, I came here for the launch. As you can see, Zimtoti, man. You know, eating like very high-tile things. You came with cyclists, you know. Yeah, man. People are into bikes, so you're also showing them around. You know, one of the space in the city which is green, which supports a movement like ours that are into bikes. They support movement that are into plants. So you're just showing them around. So that sometime if they have a puncture, they can stop here, drill hole, fix their bike, knowing that, you know, the family loves and appreciates also what we're doing. So yes, we give thanks.
What's up, guys? Chilling here with Paris. We out in the city, we riding the bikes. This is the 1+1 crew. We cycle every Saturdays, weekends. We do rides. Right now we're in the city. Some drinks. We had some cakes. It's lovely. It's a good vibes here. Yeah.
The sit down.
My name is at the high tea in the inner city. Well, of course, I enjoyed the high tuning of senses in the inner city. You know, biggest application of self. I enjoyed the polarities. In this kind of a form. Just the high tea. To heighten our sense.
In the enjoyment of it. But yo, on the food, you know, I don't know where to start. You know, the cakes and the sweet potato. The spicy one as well, and the fact that it's like all vegan, you know, it's all plant-based. These creations, she's been practicing how to create these really tasty, healthy, so it's like it fills something, you know, that spot that you've been trying to fill. It's like it touches there.
My name is Forrest, here in the Drill Hall, live location. We're here having the Zimtoti tea party. It's the high tea, you know, having some kombucha, some lemongrass tea. This is Moringa kombucha, this is cannabis kombucha. And then you have all types of cakes, all types of breads, the sourdough, you know, all the great things in life. Yeah, we're just having that much of fun of heightening our senses, taking medicine, enjoying more of the space, different activities, and just involving everyone to be part of this initiative of changing our lives in the urban cities. You know, that's the drift of what is happening right now. It's the agenda, drifting the mindset.
It's been a very magnificent day. I mean, launching Zimtoti in a very healthy, organic, nutritious, healthy way.
Hi, my name is Jen. Hey, I'm enjoying the taste experience and the vibe. I love the energy here. With the food, I enjoyed the sweet potato fries, especially the spicy one.
Cause we don't learn. So now we gonna learn the hard way.
Yeah, everyone who's come through, they're supporting Zimtoti, our plant-based journey.
for us, like starting out and coming to this point, and just learning to bake with different ingredients, incorporating vegetables, seeds, nuts, fruits, you know, gluten-free, fermenting, you know, all of these things that I've learned since, you know, becoming a plant-based baker and coming to the space, which is the drill hall, working with Exotically Divine, and the partnerships that I've had with them has been so incredible because I've been learning a lot from them in terms of them being a plant-based restaurant, doing all of these incredible things. I've learned so much about just food in general. Yeah, it's culminated in this event today, which I'm so proud to, you know, have pulled off, thanks to Exotically Divine for transforming this space also. So this is now what we are calling the expression space, where we have transformed this space to allow for different creative visions. So me today, it was really just to open up this space, and also through placemaking, diversifying the uses of public spaces in the city, because this is, you know, a heritage site, and we're trying to also, as young people tracing our existence in the city, it's important to be expressing ourselves and experimenting in different ways. So yeah.